batisado. Our fourth runner-up goes to candidate number 9. To pin on the sash for our second runner-up, I may call on Lito Orsal together with Gemma Bell. O sa apelido rin mo dahil Gemma Bell. Sarsa Lihos. You'll be the one to, Rosa Lihos, you'll be the one to pin on the sash for the second runner-up. Our second runner-up goes to candidate number 3. Mr. Lito Orsal, please. Candidate number 1 and number first runner-up, dako kay ni siya grol kay mamatay atong Ryan na ang motor na over atong first runner-up, no? So to pin on the sash for our first runner-up, I may request Councilor Rolando Migabon together with me ma'am to pin on the sash. Our first runner-up goes to candidate number. Are you ready, Mr. Councilor Migabon? Our first runner-up goes to candidate number 2. Our first macho gay is candidate number 1. To pin on the sash for our macho gay. Blue understand our barangay captain 3 Walgoro together with my sister. This is Rodessa. 1. Salamat, okay sa ating modisto, way bayad. Okay na ating